How's it going, everyone? I'm going to show you how to get rid of the ads on your YouTube. If you watch it on a computer, that is. If you're on PC and you watch YouTube, this is an easy way to get rid of ads. And what's funny about it is that Google, who owns YouTube, actually Google has an extension to help you block YouTube's ads. Check it out. Go to Google, Google extensions. Don't want to click that, that's an ad, whatever, Chrome Web Store, boom. Go to that. Over here in the search, type in YouTube ad blocker, enter. There it is, very top one, video ad blocker for YouTube extension. You'll add it to your thing, and when you obviously I already have it, that's why it says rate it, but then it will create this tab up here in your little browser, ad block for YouTube. And just to prove to you that it works, let's go to YouTube so I can show you. We'll go, what's a guarantee that is monetized? Guaranteed video that's monetized. You know it's trending. We'll go to trending.
Channel 7 years ago. It took me about...
No ad. Let's go to another one. I want to prove it to you. I don't want to be some, jack off like most of these videos I watch, where they're just giving you false.
No champagne, but there is.
No ad, goes right to the video. YouTube ad blocker. It's super funny that Google helps you get rid of the YouTube ads, even though it's their own company, so therefore they are actually helping you not give them money by watching ads, so it is kind of self-defeating. But hey, the more you know, the better you are, because to me, I don't want to waste time in my life, even if it's a 5-second ad, even if it's a 30-second ads that you got to watch, and you're on your PC. Why would you do that? If you have Google Chrome, browser, get it. It's so much. You add all that time up, eventually you're going to waste years of your life watching stupid advertisements that you don't need to be watching. And if it's that easy, like I just showed you, within a minute or two, anybody can do it. So, ad blocker for YouTube on your PC. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, whatever. I make more funny content than I do instructional videos, but I like to inform people of the shit that I know because it helps me save time, and then I have more time to consume. And who doesn't want to consume more YouTube without stupid fucking advertisements? Thanks for watching.